Hello everyone, today in this video I am going to teach you how to draw a torso. So let's get started. So before we start the video, I will explain the importance of a torso and what is the difference between a male torso and a female torso. The torso is very important because it controls the entire structure of the body. If the torso is strong, poses, balance, movement and anatomy automatically appear more believable. In the simple terms, the head and limbs are mainly attachment, but the torso is body's main engine. Gesture and flow mostly come from the relationship between the ribcage and pelvis. In dynamic poses, twist, bends and stretches are visible through the torso. If the torso is stiff, the entire drawing appears mechanical, even if the hands and face are poorly done. With torso practice, you understand the anatomy better, improve contrapposto and dynamic poses, add weight and balance to the character, improve clothing fold and muscle placement, build a strong foundation into the animation and figure drawing. So first of all, I will start it with the male torso. The torso is divided into two parts. The first body part is called ribcage and second part is called pelvis. It is a male torso or a female torso. Both are divided into two parts. In the first part, ribcage, both our hands, neck and face attached. And in the second part, pelvis, both our legs, and this is how our entire body is ready. So to draw the torso, first we will draw a slightly curved line. This line is represent our shoulders. Now we will draw two vertical curved lines from the both points of the shoulders. Now we will draw a triangle near both the points of these two curved vertical lines. Now we will draw a straight vertical line which divided the triangle into two parts. Now our ribcage is ready. Now we will draw a rectangle shape below the ribcage. Then once again we will draw another triangle shape below the same rectangle. Now in the middle of this we will draw an inverted triangle shape. Now we have three triangles. This is the bigger and first triangle. This connects our midsection. Now these are two smaller rectangles. Here we draw the legs. Now we will learn to draw a female torso. So this is the middle part of the torso. It is slightly curved inwards, and draw the female pelvis something like this. Because myself draw the torso, so is very simple shapes, and because of my teaching skills are not that good, because I am not able to explain things in details, so that whatever I am understanding gives you an idea how to draw in a simple way, and the rest depends on your practice. And yes, to understand the torso in more details, I have prepared a separate PDF. I explain the torso in simple way. You can download it very easily and for free from my Patreon account. If you find this PDF very useful and learn something new, so please tell me in the comments. I will get motivation from your every comment. So I told you in a better way, and every time I learn something new. Send this video to your friends who likes to learn digital arts. And yes, we are very close to complete the 1000 subscribers, so please subscribe to the channel. I hope you enjoy this video, and torso PDF is here.